Have you ever wondered how to make money from BestMark? Well, you're in the right place. Picture this. BestMark is a renowned mystery shopping company, and if you're not familiar with the term mystery shopping, allow me to enlighten you. It's a method used by market research companies and watchdog organizations to measure the quality of service, compliance with regulations, or to gather specific information about products and services. The mystery shoppers perform specific tasks, such as purchasing a product, asking questions, registering complaints, or behaving in a certain way, and then provide detailed reports or feedback about their experiences. In essence, it's an undercover operation to keep businesses on their toes, ensuring they maintain the high standards of service that keep customers coming back. In the world of business, quality service and customer satisfaction aren't just buzzwords, they are the heart of success. So how exactly does one make money from BestMark? Let's dive into that. The first step to making money from BestMark is to become a mystery shopper. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly does a mystery shopper do? Well, it's quite simple. You're essentially an undercover customer, tasked with evaluating the service quality of various establishments. You observe, record, and report your experiences. It's a bit like being a secret agent, but in the world of customer service. Now let's talk about how to become a BestMark mystery shopper. First, you need to meet some basic requirements. You must be at least 19 years old. You'll also need solid communication skills, both written and verbal. After all, you'll be providing detailed reports on your experiences. The ability to observe and report accurately is also crucial, as your feedback will help businesses improve their services. Now, how do you sign up? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Head over to the BestMark website. There, you'll find a registration form under the Become a Shopper section. Fill it out with your personal details like your name, address, and contact information. You'll also need to provide some demographic information. This helps BestMark match you with assignments that suit your profile. During the registration process, you'll also be asked about your shopping preferences and areas of expertise. Do you love dining out? Are you a tech enthusiast? Or perhaps you're a fashion aficionado? These details will help BestMark tailor assignments to your interests, making the mystery shopping experience more enjoyable for you. Once you've filled out the registration form, simply submit it. You'll then receive an email to verify your account. Just click on the link in the email and voila! You're now a registered BestMark mystery shopper, and that's it. You've successfully registered as a mystery shopper. It's a straightforward process, and BestMark's website makes it easy and user-friendly. You're now part of a community of mystery shoppers who are making a difference in the customer service world. Once you've signed up, you're ready to start accepting assignments. So get ready to embark on an exciting journey as a BestMark mystery shopper. Now that you're registered, it's time to start accepting assignments. You're officially a part of the BestMark community and ready to dive into the world of mystery shopping. Let's navigate this journey together. To browse for assignments, you'll want to visit BestMark's job board. This is your one-stop shop for all available opportunities. Think of it as a buffet of jobs, each one with its own unique flavor and requirements. You can filter these opportunities based on location, pay, or type of assignment, so you can find the ones that align with your interests and abilities. Once you spot an assignment that catches your eye, it's time to delve deeper. Each assignment comes with its own specific set of requirements, a blueprint, if you will, of what's expected from you. This could range from the type of business you'll be evaluating, the tasks you'll need to perform during your visit, to the kind of report you'll have to submit afterward. Remember, mystery shopping is like acting in a play, and these requirements are your script. Understanding them is key to delivering a stellar performance. So don't just skim through them. Take the time to read and absorb every detail. If there's something you're unsure about, don't hesitate to reach out to BestMark's support team. They're there to help you succeed. Once you're confident that you understand the requirements, you can accept the assignment. But here's a tip: don't bite off more than you can chew. While it might be tempting to accept multiple assignments at once, remember that each one is a commitment. It's not just about accepting the assignment, but also about completing it to the best of your ability. So, be selective. Only accept tasks you have the time, resources, and skills to complete. This way you can ensure that you're delivering high-quality work, which in turn increases your chances of getting more assignments in the future. Remember, each assignment is a commitment, so be sure to only accept tasks you can complete. And with that, you're all set to start accepting your first assignments. Happy mystery shopping. Mystery. You've accepted an assignment, now what's next? So, you've taken the leap and accepted your first assignment from BestMark. The journey towards earning money as a mystery shopper is about to get real. But before you dive in, let's talk about two key aspects of completing an assignment: maintaining your cover and accurately reporting your experience. First things first, maintaining your cover. Remember, as a mystery shopper, your role is to blend in with regular customers. You're not an undercover agent in a Hollywood blockbuster, so no need for fancy disguises or fake accents. Your job is simply to observe and evaluate. You must act naturally, just like any other customer would. Ask questions, browse, make a purchase, but all the while, keep your eyes open and your senses alert. Now let's talk about reporting your experience. This is where the real value of mystery shopping lies. Your feedback can significantly impact the business you're evaluating, so it's crucial to be as accurate and detailed as possible. Did the salesperson greet you promptly? Was the store clean and well organized? Were the products easy to find? How about the checkout process? Was it smooth or were there any hiccups? These are the kind of details businesses want to know. But here's the thing. You can't rely on your memory alone. After all, it's human nature to forget things, especially minor details. That's why it's important to take notes as soon as possible after your visit. You can jot down your observations in a notebook or use your smartphone, whatever works best for you. Just make sure to do it discreetly. Remember, your report should be a truthful reflection of your experience. Avoid exaggeration or bias. Be honest, be fair, and be detailed. Your input can help businesses enhance their customer service, improve their product offerings, and ultimately, increase their bottom line. And that's what makes mystery shopping a win-win situation. You get paid for your time and effort, and businesses get valuable insights that can drive their growth and success. Once you've completed the assignment, it's time to submit your report. The final step in the process is submitting your report and getting paid. Once you've completed your mystery shopping assignment, you'll need to submit a detailed report of your experience. This report is the key to getting paid, so it's crucial to be thorough and accurate. To submit your report, head over to the BestMark website. Navigate to the Submit a Report section and follow the prompts. You'll be asked to provide specific details about your shopping experience, such as the quality of customer service, the cleanliness of the store, and whether the staff followed company protocol. Remember, your report should be objective and factual. It's not about your personal opinions, but rather about what you observed. The more detailed and accurate your report, the more valuable it is to BestMark and the companies they work with. Now let's talk about the exciting part: getting paid. BestMark offers several payment methods for mystery shoppers. You can choose to receive your payment via check, direct deposit, or PayPal. The method of payment is chosen when you register as a mystery shopper, but it can be changed at any time in your account settings. It's important to note that payment is not immediate. BestMark typically processes payments within 2 to 3 weeks of the report submission. This allows them time to review your report and ensure its accuracy. Also, keep in mind that the amount you earn per assignment can vary. It depends on the complexity of the assignment, the time it takes, and other factors. But rest assured, BestMark is known for its fair and competitive pay rates. Lastly, it's worth mentioning that as a mystery shopper, you're considered an independent contractor. This means that you're responsible for your own taxes. It's a good idea to set aside a portion of your earnings for tax time. And there you have it. That's how you make money from BestMark. So, to recap, we've taken a comprehensive journey through the process of making money from BestMark. We kicked off with an introduction to BestMark, exploring its potential as a mystery shopping platform. Next, we dove into the registration process, highlighting the ease with which you can become a mystery shopper. We then moved on to accepting assignments. We emphasized the importance of selecting tasks that mirror your interests and capabilities. Following this, we detailed the process of completing these assignments, focusing on the importance of professionalism and attention to detail. Finally, we looked at how to submit reports and get paid. We underlined the necessity of timely, accurate reporting and the joy of seeing your bank balance grow. Remember, like any venture, success with BestMark requires effort and commitment. With time and dedication, BestMark can become a reliable source of extra income. Give it a try and see for yourself.